Yeah, family. So we're actually inside my estate.
Man, it's been confusing with the weather.
Right.
Yeah.
And in Dar, we were always just
Hot. Yeah.
Here,
But the weather in Kenya is
then
like.
when I reach, I find myself buying a long sleeve
Right.
jacket. I'm like, what the heck? I was in shock. As if I just went just right there across the border and I'm freezing.
Right.
Yeah.
This I couldn't wear in Tanzania. At that. Well, in Dar, I should say, not Arusha. Dar es Salaam.
I heard they have a lot of jackfruit.
Yeah.
So that one that is empty right there. And one on the second floor. So ground floor, first floor, second floor. And this is another one right here that is empty. And
These are steps.
no, this one is on the ground floor. This one right
Oh,
here.
okay.
Yeah, this one is on the ground floor. But this one is on the second floor right here.
Okay.
This one. Yeah.
I prefer the ground floor.
You prefer the ground floor. Okay. You can take a peep inside. If you want, I can maybe call somebody to look for them so you can see inside.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. So this is it. This one is like they fix it up a little bit. And stuff. Yeah. If you can see, well, let me try and get someone to come and show you.
Short.
Give me a second, the light, let me come. Yeah, family, so as you can see, I'm just showing our Jamaican sister, she have 2 kids inside my estate to see if they will really like it, you know? So, let's see. Hey family, so I'm here with baby Amesh and we just actually waiting for the caretaker to come with the key so we can show this family their home, see if they will like it, family. Or they want to live in this estate with jam towards Africa. Let's see. Ham. Amesh. Mwah.
Probably, I don't know.
Not picking.
Must be something you're doing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't like rice. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm worried.
I'm not picking.
Yeah.
Alright family, let's go and look at this 2-bedroom apartment inside my estate. 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, yeah. We're trying to get to Mishek and stuff to see.
So the house is yet to be repainted.
Okay, yet to be repainted.
Yeah,
Okay, nice.
some fresh for the paint.
Okay. 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 What about this cupboard here? Cause
This one will also be fixed afresh.
oh, fix it fresh. Yeah.
And
Okay.
a bit of cleaning as well.
Okay, nice. Because we came the other day to look at it, and this was the reason why the person never take it with all of these things. But maybe the person never explained properly.
Correct.
But now that you guys gonna fix all of this, is good.
This is a laundry area.
Yeah, laundry right
Your
here.
machine comes
Machine
here.
come right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the bathroom. I like how you do the bathroom, sweetie. Look at the bathroom. They actually part it off.
Oh, good.
Yeah, they part off the bathroom. That's good. It's not like ours. It's not like that. Yeah, master. Mm. Mm. Yeah, them have that. Yeah, they do that. Yeah. Yeah, this. Yeah, I don't know whether they want to take it. Yeah.
And the shelves.
The shelves. Yeah. Okay. All right. Mm. Yeah, this is. Oh, you never seen before?
No.
Okay. Got it. The baby coming. Mary giving birth.
Right?
Go. Go back to mama.
And I wanted to tell you once you didn't hear a man.
Uncle Mikey. Say hi to Uncle Mikey, Amesh. Uncle Mikey. Uncle Mikey. Yes, they like what they do it here. Okay. Yeah. The shelf and stuff. Yeah. Okay, sweetie. Wonder if you are moving then. They changed the toilet and stuff. Yeah. $55. Okay. You guys have any like 3-bedroom inside here?
Inside the
3-bedroom.
okay, we can check.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, nice.
What do you think about this one?
What do you think, Monique?
It's nice.
It's
but
nice.
For a family like ours, we definitely need 3.
3-bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay. 3. Okay. All right.
Because I can't bunk with any of them.
Oh
They
yeah.
can't bunk with each other.
Yeah. Yeah, but we do have 3-bedroom here. Let me call that guy and see. Let me see. So how soon? Okay. Sweetie, let's call that guy and ask him if we have no 3-bedroom. Let me see. Head of security. He says the head of security. That guy. The one where we get the number from. Yeah, I get it this morning. Ask him if there's any 3-bedroom inside here. Yeah, fam, so we're going to check for a 3-bedroom because this is too small for the family. But generally, I really like this apartment. Maybe I could have moved here. From my space there, I could move here. But it's nice. It's nice so far. Stuff. So let's check. It's not picking. Chup, Amesh, chup. Alright, let me take Amesh. Come on, walk. Wacky, Mr. Wacky. Mr. Wacky, you're the teacher, but Amesh about the teacher. Amesh, do the gully creeper. Amesh, do the gully creeper. Gully creeper? Mr. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Mr. Gully creeper. Mr. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Rescue. So this one has a servant quarters right here. So if you have a maid, they'll stay here. Okay, so this is inside here. Okay. Yeah, family. So this is like a 3-bedroom. In our estate, it's on the ground floor, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Spacious. Yes. And this is the kitchen. Yeah, pantry. Okay, pantry is here. Pantry. Yeah, B. Yeah. Well, I'll let you know. Yeah. I'll come back then. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right, family. This is a 3-bedroom, as you can see. 3-bedroom. Yeah, this is a 3-bedroom. Yeah. 3-bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Yeah, the master bedroom is here. Yeah. The outside view right here, as you can see, the outside view. Master bedroom. We have a mirror right here, as you can see. And this is, as you can see here, this is another bedroom. Yeah. So this is a 3-bedroom with servant quarters, family. Let's look at the servant quarters to see what it's like. Let's look at the servant quarters. Let's look at the servant quarters to see what it's like. So this is the servant quarters, family. SQ. Servants quarters. This is the servant quarters. They have their own bathroom. Own toilet. This is a little room for the servant, a small bed. Servant quarters. So that is it, family. And this is it. That is it. And right here, family, you have your bathroom. No, you don't have your bathroom. I said this is your balcony. This is the balcony, family, outside here. So as you can see, this is the balcony. Right here is a garden. You can plant like flowers and stuff. Right there. So 3-bedroom inside Jam Tours Estate. So let us know, guys, if you like this one. Contact Jam Tours and we can hook you up, family. Contact Jam Tours. Yeah. So 3-bedroom. 3-bedroom servant quarters. Yeah, family. This is Jam Tours Africa. This is the end of this vlog. If you're looking for support, looking for a house, it's best to connect with Jam Tours first. Get an Airbnb, and then when you come, you look around here and see what you like, and then you pick, and then you will be actually, you will be settling. You won't have to regret. You won't have to be moving up and down, family. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. One love. God bless. I'm out.